Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and product reviews, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. Y'all, don't forget we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It will end on Thanksgiving at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is a collab with Samantha Sweets. That is our huge holiday elf collab. So like I said, a link will be in the description, so definitely enter if you have not. Today I'm really excited because we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the Luxee Box. Now this is actually a seasonal men's subscription. So I do want to say thank you so very much to Luxe for sending me this for review. I do greatly appreciate it. My husband's going to appreciate it because all of this will be going to him. So before we dive into the box, I want to look at their website, tell you a little bit about it since it is brand new to our channel, and give you all the information you need to know. So let me put on my glasses so I can see my laptop. And so Luxe, it says curated products, discovered products engineered to deliver confidence and proven results for any man. It says gifting made easy, the gift that keeps on giving, the new go-to place for all men looking to take it to the next level. It says save money, you're saving up to 60% on products and plus free shipping always. That's nice, I love free shipping. Save time, no complicated product research or decisions, a complete daily routine conveniently delivered to your door. It says up your game. Luxe is changing how thousands of men improve their lifestyle by providing products that help you achieve the promotion at work, crush it in the gym, look fresh for a night out, and kill it in the bedroom. Then they go on to say, live like a champion. We understand how it feels to get so busy that we forget to prioritize ourselves. That's why Luxe makes it easy and affordable to improve your self-care habits. Why waste years struggling trying to figure out for yourself? I don't know why, I just froze. You can save time and achieve a much better result when you get an expertly curated subscription box. It's a shortcut giving you healthier skin, unparalleled performance, and the confidence to achieve anything. So then, how it works, you sign up for the box. You're going to, it says subscriber, gift it for only $90. It's each season you're going to receive a box filled with 5 to 8 full-size products valued over $200. And then it just says, every 3 months, the box is delivered curated with the top brands in men's lifestyle, fitness, grooming, wellness, technology, and more. And you can pause, skip, or cancel the box at any time. Now, it is $90 a season, but again, that is free shipping with that, which is a big deal in my opinion, because not a lot of boxes give the free shipping. But you can also, if you prepay for a year in advance, it brings it down to $75 a box. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what we got in this box. So again, this is the Luxe. It says your new wingman has arrived. All right. So this is the Winter 2020 Got Box. Rated #1 men's gift by most women. All right. So let's see. Is this going to go over? This is going to go over all of our items. That's awesome. It does not give us pricing, but it is going to go over all of... I just saw something. Oh, love it. And right now, you get a free robe, black robe, when you sign up, which looks like is in this box. So let's get in here. All right. So the first item is this Luxe tumbler. So it's a glass. Elegant glassware is a necessity for a luxe man. This handsome whiskey glass has a unique design, and its glass base features glacier detail, creating the illusion that your drink is literally on the rocks. It says made from premium glass with a sculpted rock-like base. It is dishwasher safe. So that is awesome. You need a nice glass, whiskey glass, or in my husband's case, he likes cranberry and vodka, so that would work for him. All right, and it is very heavy. The bottom of that glass is very thick, very heavy. So yes. All right. Then we have got, which this would come in handy the next day, I think. This is in a glass jar too. It says, cheers, restore, after alcohol aid. Capsules are taken after consuming alcohol to support your liver and help you feel great the day after drinking. You're going to take 2 to 4 of these. Cheers is not so you can drink more. Think of it as a dishwasher for your liver, getting rid of all the alcohol and toxic byproducts quicker. The main reason you feel like hell after a long night of drinking is not only because of dehydration. Anxiety is caused by GABA rebound and some I can't say buildup. Both of these ingredients are scientifically proven to reduce through the use of DHM. Cheers, hero ingredient. So this you take after you drink. So basically, by the time the night's over, take 2 to 4 of these before bed. I guess it depends on how much fun you had on the 2 to 4. So that's nice. All right, and then we have got some disposable shaving mats. I have my glasses off. Well, maybe I'll just leave them on for reading. Keep your bathroom clean while grooming. Magic mat, disposable shaving mats. Keep trimmings in one place for easy disposal. No more browsing Amazon for something to unclog your drain. Custom size for optimum placement and collection. Entertains while serving a practical purpose and made of recyclable materials. So there is that. And I guess they gave you that because we got from Manscaped, the Lawnmower 3.0. Trimmer for groin and body grooming. The future of trimming is here. The top below the belt grooming products for men will have you feeling and looking your best. Manscaped skin safe technology, 600 Li-ion rechargeable battery, waterproof ergonomic design, adjustable guard with 2 lengths, and it says infused with natural hydrators and antioxidants. And I know this guy right here is expensive. I think this alone is I think I have seen this for about $60 to $70. So this right here is almost the cost of the box. And it looks like they have partnered with the Testicular Cancer Society, which I think is fantastic. That's amazing. So, but yeah, waterproof, gives you complete control. It's cordless, rechargeable. It does have a light on it too. So, yay. All right, so I just went ahead and took the last 2 items out of the box. So we have 2 final products. We actually have 2 here of the same from Jackson Lane Bro Mask. 100% hydrogel face mask for all skin types. Vitamin B3 for a youthful glow. Collagen for firm skin. Green tea, ginger, and licorice extracts for even skin tone. So 2 of them. And they're this type of mask, like half and half. So this says, your life is busy, we get it. Long days at work, hitting the gym, weekends in the mountains, or drinking on the beach. Your skin puts up with a lot. This is why Jackson Lane created the 100% Hydrogel Bro Mask, an antioxidant-packed, ultra-hydrating face mask to give you clear, smooth, glowing skin. A certain man glow, if you will. So we have some skincare for our man. And then the final item was the robe I was telling you about. So it's the Luxe robe. Let me get it out of the plastic. It's kind of the waffle pattern material. You can see there. And it says, the all-black Luxe lounger robe is made for the camera. Our waffle I know this word, kimono styling paired with the premium silver metallic thread will have you feeling more relaxed than Elon Musk on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast. This robe is manufactured by the same company that does the robes for the Ritz-Carlton, the famous 5-star luxury hotel and resort. Anyway, make sure you snap some pictures and show this thing off. So it does feel very, very nice. And you can see here where it was talking about in the silver, it does say Luxe. I'm trying to get it without, there you go. But it does feel very nice. I know my husband will probably enjoy that, especially with it getting cooler. So that was the Winter 2020 Luxe Edition, the men's self-care wingman in a box. I thought it was really awesome. I think it's great that there's a subscription box like this for men that is a little bit on the bougie side. Who says men can't be bougie? I mean, they can. So they treat us so we can treat them. I think this makes a great gift. Let me know what you guys thought down below. I really thought this was, like I said, a great box. I definitely see the value. So I love hearing from you guys and your opinion. A special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. And y'all, just being here and watching means more than you know. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.